9, 2025, police get called to assist Walmart's loss prevention team during an active shoplifting attempt. A man on the sales floor has over $700 of unpaid items concealed inside of a Walmart bag. And after passing all points of sale, he is feet from the exit doors right as police walk in.
Stop it, give me a f***ing tase! I'm gonna f***ing tase this shit out of you! You get on the ground! Put your f***ing hands behind your back!
We got one secure at Walmart. No longer to 31.
Did it go into the thing?
I'm good.
Alright. It's my baton. Shit went flying everywhere.
As they walk to the security room, the suspect is preparing to deliver a few emotionally invoking excuses, hoping to sway the officers.
I was getting ready to and he stopped.
Whatever, hit the down that I heard.
It's my magazine. Have a seat on the bench. Stand up. Do you have any weapons on you? No. Good feet. Alright, have a seat.
As if it will save him, the suspect tries to go deeper and explain his specific reason for stealing.
How old are you? 24.
As soon as I went to the got right there to Moody and 20, I heard y'all say, so I'm probably gonna get a hard turn notification.
We had a little foot chase and whatnot.
I got 4 kids. I'm just trying to.
Why do you look familiar?
I don't want to talk about it. I was gonna resell them. And yeah. I just got 4 kids. It's hard. I
understand, bro. I got 3.
I have the money to pay for them. I just.
You got $770 plus tax?
Yeah. It's stupid as f***, you honestly is. It's just.
So how many times have you done this and not gotten caught?
Not ever from Walmart, but.
You be hitting loads?
No.
Where else?
It's just like every now and then I'll do something small, like toothbrushes, hair stuff, like
Here?
body wash. Not like Dollar
live
General
around
or
here?
something. No.
So you drive all the way from Davenport to come to this stuff?
No, I'm not. That's an old address. I'm not from Davenport.
Where you stay?
I stay in Dade City. Can I pay for the stuff?
Huh?
Can I pay for it?
I mean, if it was like $10 or something, bro, that's $770.
I know I'm saying I'll pay for it. But
You had that opportunity. I don't want to sound like a dick, but
no, I know.
you know what I mean?
And if you're interested on the exact items he stole, more on that in a moment.
Fix that one. Just turn it like that. Be a little bit more comfortable.
And knowing his fate is sealed, the suspect asks officers to call his lady and let her know she can leave the parking lot because he won't be coming back to the car.
There's no way I can pay for it.
No. You want me to call your girls, tell her what's going on?
Yeah. If you, my face and my phone, and then you just hold up my face, and I'll show you her contact. You can call her. I don't even need to call her.
Can you talk to her?
Can I talk to her real quick?
Yeah. Let's put it on speaker.
I'm sorry. Hello?
Hey, I'm going to jail.
Why?
I'm going to jail.
What do you mean?
I don't want to talk about it.
What do you mean?
I'll call you from the jail or whatever and talk. I don't want to talk about it right now. So you can just head home, and I'll call you later.
Are you being
Yeah, I'm being serious.
huh?
Yes, I'm being serious. I don't want to talk about it right now.
Okay.
I'll call you in a little bit.
Okay.
Or whenever I can or whatever.
So go home for real?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, I love you.
Before they take him to jail, they do, however, inform him on some good news.
So, stop, I'm gonna tase you, stop. That doesn't count. I think everybody in the store heard. I was hurting electronics.
I didn't hear you say stop. Is the resisting a felony?
I don't think he charged you that.
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Is it a felony or a misdemeanor?
Misdemeanor.
Just without violence and stuff? I'm sorry.
That's why.
I'm sorry. You're faster than I thought you were.
It's so much easier.
I didn't see y'all. I saw them. I didn't know y'all were even here.
Yeah, I'm having problems.
Yeah.
I'll do my lunch.
We had a feeling you were
I
going
was trying to
And
run
then
from
when
y'all.
I get
I just
home,
saw him and him
come
at the door, and I was like,
keys down,
and then-
sit on the couch. and watch out.
when you said taser, I was
Because
like,
if I don't do it
I'm not
that
getting
way-
tased.
You ever been tased before?
Yeah, I got
My
tased
cameras
me.
in my house.
Have you ever been tased
Figure out
before?
what time
No,
to do it.
I've been maced, but never tased.
I'll get tased 1,000 times before I get pepper sprayed again.
Yeah.
It can last up days, you know? A
just
taser is obviously a lot more incapacitating.
Yeah, but it's like 5 seconds.
Exactly. After that 5 seconds is over, you're done.
Good.
Then you start snotting and shit with that mace.
Yeah, dude, it's bad.
So what all is it? Is it just the theft and the
Yeah. So you got lucky because
these
those,
two misdemeanors?
Yeah.
So knock on the
You got lucky,
yeah,
dude.
door.
30 more bucks and you'd be felony.
Huh?
No, it's good.
It is a felony. It's 770.
No, it's not.
That's after tax.
719. Federal 719.
Oh.
That
Well, we got
close.
lucky then.
No, I'm going to jail. I didn't get lucky.
Well, I'm saying you're not going to catch a felony.
Yeah.
Well,
I got 4 kids and one on the way. I'm 24. I got a 5-year-old, 4-year-old, 3-year-old, 2-year-old,
bro,
and one on the way.
you get out of jail, go buy your box of rubbers, okay? That's
Yeah.
a lot of damn kids.
And that it was stupid. It's fucking
You got the same baby mama with all of them?
no.
No, you got different baby mamas.
I got 2 baby mamas.
Well, that's not too bad.
No, it's not bad, and they're all. One's actually a police officer, and then the other's a CNA.
Oh.
So.
Grab his property real quick. We gotta throw the vape away. Unfortunately, they
Can
won't.
I hit it like one more time?
Yeah, I'll let you hit it real quick.
Please, yeah, please.
You better get a good one.
Is the bond on there?
Yeah.
$1,000.
$1,000 total? Okay, and I can just pay it at the jail?
Yep.
I apologize to everybody.
Hey, listen.
That door down there. Wrong day to do it, man. No, I mean, dude, did you hear? I mean, five more feet.
I know. Once you said taser, I was
Yeah.
like, I'm not sure. I do it.
Yeah. A lot of people, you
I had
know.
that little rope there.
Can't blame you for trying, but at the same time, you know, silly mistakes, dude. Everybody makes them. You're not the first, you won't be the last. I know I already searched you, but I do want to ask you before we go
I don't have
into the
it.
jail. Okay, as long as you ain't got nothing that's going to get you in trouble, we're good, okay? Yeah. Worst part is this one don't have AC.
24-year-old Boatwright is charged with petty theft and obstructing or resisting arrest without violence. And on the specifics he tried to steal, after entering Walmart, Boatwright used an anti-shoplifting device to obtain 2 garment fish finders worth around $360 each for a total of $720 of sales value without tax. He then placed these into a plastic Walmart bag and proceeded towards the exit where loss prevention and officers arrested him. Now, the $720 amount is $30 under the $750 cap that changes lower misdemeanor charges into more serious felony charges. For clarification, $750 or more before sales tax is a felony. Under Florida Statute 812.014, petty theft is a first-degree misdemeanor where you take the value of $100 through $749 of items that are not yours in order to permanently deprive the store of these items, earning you maximum penalties of up to 1 year in county jail, up to 12 months of probation, and up to a $1,000 fine. If Mr. Boatwright had taken over $750, the charge would become grand theft, which is a third-degree felony with up to 5 years in prison. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting or obstructing an officer without violence is when you're knowingly delaying, refusing, running, or failing to obey lawful commands from officers during detention or arrest without using physical force. This has a maximum penalty of up to 1 year in county jail, up to 12 months of probation, and up to a $1,000 fine. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.